Okay, find out inverse of the matrices if it exists here. Okay, because here inverse exists only if it is a non-singular. Means if a determinant of A is not equal to 0, then only matrix has inverse here. Otherwise, the matrix does not have inverse. Okay, therefore, first check whether determinant of A is equal to 0 or determinant of A not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then continue. Otherwise, you just stop there only. Then you write inverse does not exist here. Okay. Therefore, here this is a given matrix here. Take matrix as a here. Given matrix as A. Next, find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Okay, this is a matrix and this is a determinant here. Expand it here. 2 3s are 6 minus of. So 4 2s are 8 here, minus 8. So right here minus of 8. Minus into minus becomes plus. 8 plus 6 gives 14 here. So it is a 14. So determinant of A is equal to 14 here. Therefore, this is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, this matrix has an inverse here. Then write the adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint means first you find your cofactors here. So therefore, A11 here. A11 is equal to. So this is a cofactor of this element here. This is an element in the first row and the first column here. And you know that 1 plus 1 2 even number, so take your plus sign. Otherwise you remember this one here, plus, minus and a plus here. For this element you multiply plus here. Okay, otherwise 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is even number, so take your plus sign. Deleting first row, first column, deleting this first row and the first column, remaining element is a 3. So 3. This is a cofactor of this element here. Then we find cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, second column here. Therefore, A 1 2 here. 1 plus 2 3 odd number, so write here minus. Otherwise, take this minus here. Deleting first row, second column. Deleting first row, second column. Remaining element is 4 here. So minus of 4. Then we find a cofactor of this element. Okay. Therefore, A 2 1 here. A 2 1. 2 plus 1 3 odd number, so write here minus. Otherwise, take this minus in here. Deleting second row, first column. Deleting second row and the first column minus 2 here. So write here minus 2. Minus of minus becomes a plus 2 here. Then A2 2 here. A2 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 4. Even number, take here plus sign. Deleting second row and the second column here. Deleting a second row and a second column, remaining element is 2 here. So write here 2. Okay. Therefore, these are the cofactors here. Therefore, adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix A is equal to. This is a matrix here. That is important. Here, write these two terms. These two numbers in the first column here. So 3 minus of 4 here. Then write these two numbers in the second column. 2 and 2 is there. So write here 2 and 2. Okay. You just observe here. In this matrix 2, 3 is there. In the diagonal elements. Here it is a 3, 2. Interchange the diagonal elements. And change the sign of non-diagonal element. Minus 2 is there. It is a plus 2. And a plus 4 here. So minus 4. Therefore, interchange the diagonal elements. And change the sign of the non-diagonal elements, then you will get the adjoint of the matrix here. Next, you have to find the inverse of the matrix here. Inverse. Okay. Therefore, here A inverse is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is the formula, very important formula. Determinant of A value is 14. Therefore, this is equal to 1 divided by 14. Into adjoint of the matrix here. This one 3 2 minus 4 2 here. So minus 4 plus 2 here. So this is a inverse of the given matrix. Okay, and the very simple, very important result here. This is a matrix here, not a determinant. Remember it here. It is a determinant. This is a matrix. Even this is also matrix. This is also matrix here. Okay, this is the answer here. So second example here. Minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. Find the inverse of the matrix here. So here A is the given matrix here. First you find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of minus 1 plus 5 minus 3 plus 12. Therefore this equal to minus 1 into 2 becomes a minus of 12 minus minus 3 into minus 5 minus 15 here. So it is a minus of 15 here. Is equal to minus into minus becomes a plus. 15 minus 2 becomes a 13 here. So it is a plus 13. Again this is not equal to 0. It is a non-singular matrix. So it has an inverse here. Then we find the cofactors of each element here. So find the cofactor of this element. So write here A1 1 here. Here 1 plus 1 is a 2 even number, so write plus sign here. Okay, remember the plus minus minus and plus here. Okay, for this element here multiply plus sign. Otherwise 1 plus 1 2 even number, so take plus sign here. Deleting first row and the first column here, remaining element is 2 here. So write it. Then find a cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, second column here. A1 2. A1 2 here. 1 plus 2 3. Odd number, take your minus sign. Or take this minus here. Then deleting this first row and the second column. Deleting first row, second column, minus 3 is that. So minus of 3. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So plus 3 here. Then we find a cofactor of this element. This is in the second row, first column here. Therefore A2 1. Second row, first column element. So 2 plus 1 3 odd number, take your minus sign. Means this minus here. Then deleting second row, first column. Deleting this second row and the first column remaining element is 5. So it is a minus 5. Then A2 2. A2 2 means a cofactor of this element here. 2 plus 2 4. 4 is even number, take plus sign here. Or take this plus sign. Then deleting second row and the second column, remaining is minus 1 here. Therefore this equal to minus 1. These are the cofactors here. Therefore adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of A is equal to, okay, first write these two elements here. So 2 and 3. So 2 3. Next minus 5 minus 1 here. Okay, so minus 5 minus 1 here. Okay, you just verify whether it is correct or wrong here. You know that this is a given matrix. Interest in the diagonal elements here. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is there. And the change sign of non-diagonal. Plus 5 is there. Here is minus 5. Minus 3 is there. Therefore it is a plus 3. So this is a adjoint of the matrix here. Therefore A inverse, you have to find A inverse here. 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is a formula. Determinant of A value is 13 here. So therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 13 into adjoint of the matrix is 2 minus 5. So 3 minus 1 here. So this is the inverse of the given matrix. Okay. So third example here. So this is a given matrix. Take a given matrix as a A. To check whether it is a singular or non-singular matrix here. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to here 1 into 2 5s are 10 here minus of 4 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Then write here minus of 2 into bracket. 0 into 5 is a 0 minus of 0 into 4 becomes a 0. Then a plus 3. So 3 into bracket of 0 into 0 becomes a 0 minus of 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Okay. Then this is equal to here 1 into 10 becomes a 10 here. And here 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 into 2 becomes a 0. Complete this term is a 0 here. Even 0 minus 0 is a 0, 0 into 3 becomes a 0. Complete this term is a 0. Therefore write only 10 here. Determinant of A is equal to 10. So this is a not equal to 0. Hence it is a non-singular matrix. And you know that every non-singular matrix has an inverse here. Means this matrix has an inverse. The next step here, find the adjoint of the matrix. If you want to adjoint, find the cofactors of each element here. Find the cofactor of this element first. A11. A11 is equal to. Okay, just remember here. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So plus, minus and plus here. So for this element, multiply plus sign here. Because 1 plus 1, 2. Even number, take here plus sign. Deleting first column. Deleting this first row. And this first column here. Therefore, remaining elements are 2, 4, 0, 5. First multiply the two here. 5 2s are 10. So write here 10. Minus 4 into 0 becomes a 0 here. This is a 0. So 10 minus 0 is a 10 here. So plus 10 here. Okay. A11 is 10. This is a cofactor of this element. Then find the cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, second column here. Therefore A12. A12 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. Odd number. So multiplier by minus n here. 1 plus 2, 3 odd number. Take minus n. Or take this minus n. Okay. Then deleting first or second column. So this is a first element. This is second here. So deleting first and second column here. Okay. Then remaining element 0, 4, 0, 5. 0 into 5 becomes a 0. It is a 0 minus 4 into 0 becomes a 0. 0 minus 0 is a 0. Then find a cofactor of this element here. This is in the first or third column here. So A13. A13. 1 plus 3, even 4 even number, take plus sign here. Instead take this plus sign. Then deleting first or third column. So delete this first row and the third column is like this. Therefore remaining elements are 0 to 0, 0. 0 into 0 becomes a 0. So write here 0 minus of 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. A13. Next find the cofactor of this element here. A21. So A21 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 odd number. So take here minus sign. Okay. Deleting second row, first column. This second elements here, first column elements like this. Okay. Then the remaining element are 2, 3, 0, 5. 2 5s are 10 here. So it is a 10. Minus of 0 to 3 becomes a 0. So minus of 10 here. So it is a minus 10. Okay. Then A22 here. A22 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 even number, take here plus sign here. Okay, deleting second row, second column. Deleting this second row and the second column here. 1, 3, 0, 5 remaining elements. 1 into 5 becomes a 5. So write here 5. Minus of 3 into 0 becomes a 0. Therefore this is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Then A23. A23 here. So 2 plus 3, 5. Odd number, take minus sign here. Okay, this is a cofactor of this element here. Okay, take this minus. Okay. Deleting second row, third column here. Deleting this is second row and a third column means these are the remaining elements here. Okay. Then 1 into 0 becomes a 0. So write here 0 minus of 2 into 0 becomes a 0. So this is a 0 here is equal to 0. 8, 2, 3. Then you find the cofactor of this element here. Okay. Therefore, this is in the third row, first column, A31 here. A31, 3 plus 1, 4. For even number, take a plus sign. Means I write this a plus sign here. Deleting third row, first column. So deleting third row, first column here, like this. These are the remaining elements here. Therefore, 2 4s are 8. So write here 8 minus 3 2s are 6. It is a 6 here. 8 minus 6 gives plus 2. Then A32. 3 plus 2 5 odd number, take here minus sign here. Deleting third row, second column. Deleting this third row and the second column here. Therefore, these are the remaining elements here, like this. Okay. Then 1 into 4 becomes a 4 minus 3 into 0 becomes a 0. This is equal to minus of 4. Then A33. A33 plus n. 3 plus 3 6 odd even number, take care plus n means this plus n. Deleting third row, third column. Deleting third and third column. Then remaining these elements here. 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here. So write here 2 minus 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Therefore 2 minus 0 is a 2. So these are the cofactors of respective elements here. Then adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of A is equal to, this is a matrix here. So write first 3 elements in the first column here. So 10, 0 and 0. Next 3 numbers in the second column. So minus 10 plus 5 plus 0. Next 3 numbers here. Next 3 numbers. So 2 minus 4 and plus 2. Okay. This is the adjoint of the matrix here. Then you write that A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is a formula here. Hence, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A value is 10. So write here 10 in the denominator into adjoint of the matrix here. This is adjoint of the matrix here. So 10 minus 10, then plus 2 here, then 0 plus 5 minus of 4 here, then 0, so 0 and plus 2. So this is the answer here. Okay, here this is a given matrix here. Find the inverse of the matrix if it exists here. You know that the inverse exists only when it is a non-singular here. So first check here whether it is a singular or non-singular matrix here. Determinant of A is equal to, so determinant of, so 1 0 0, then 3 3 0, then 5 2 minus 1 here. Okay, determinant of A here. Then expand this determinant here. So therefore this equal to 1 into bracket 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Minus of 3 minus 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Then minus of 0. 0 into 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Minus 3 minus of 5 to 0 becomes a 0. So this is a 0. Then plus 0. So plus 0 into bracket. So 5 3 2s are 6. So right here 6 minus 3 5s are 15. So it is a 15 here. Therefore, this is equal to minus 3 minus 0 is a minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 becomes a minus of 3. And 0 into any term is 0. 0 into any term is 0 means complete this term becomes 0. So similarly 0 into this is a 0 here. So this term is 0, this term is 0, remaining only minus 3 here. So hence this is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then obviously it is a non-singular matrix here. If it is a non-singular, then it has an inverse here. Then you find the cofactors of corresponding elements here. Here's A11 here. A11 is equal to, take care this plus sign, or 1 plus 1 2. In one number, take care plus sign. Deleting first column here. Deleting this first row and first column. Then these are the remaining elements here. 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Minus 3 minus 0 to 2 becomes 0. Therefore, this is equal to minus of 3 here. So, right here minus 3. Then A12 here. A12, 1 plus 2, 3 odd number, take here minus sign. Means this minus here. Deleting this first row and a second column here. 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. So, right here minus 3 minus of 5 into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. Minus of minus becomes a plus. So, plus 3. Then A12 here. Sorry, A13. A13 here, 1 plus 3. For even number, take a plus sign. Yes, this is a plus sign here. Okay. Then deleting a first row, third column here. Deleting this first row and the third column. 3 2s are 6. So right here 6 minus of 5 3s are 15. So it is 15 here. Then 6 minus 15 is minus of 9. Okay, A13 is minus 9. Next A21. A21 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, take care minus sign. Means this minus sign here. Deleting second row, first column. Deleting this second row and first column here. 3, 0 into minus 1 is 0. So right here 0 minus of 2 into 0 becomes 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. Then A22 here. A22, 2 plus 2, for even number, take a plus sign here. Means this is a plus sign. Okay. Then deleting second row, second column. Deleting second row and a second column here. 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1. So minus 1 minus 0 into 5 becomes 0 here. So it is a minus of 1 here. Then A23 here. A23, 2 plus 3, 5 odd number, take care minus sign. Deleting second row, third column. Deleting second row and a third column here. 1 into 2 becomes 2. So right there 2 minus of 0 into 5 becomes 0. Therefore this is equal to minus of 2. These are minus of 2. Then A31 here. A31 is cofactor of this element. So 3 plus 1, 4. Even number, take care plus sign. This plus sign here. Deleting the third row and the first column here. These are the remaining elements here. 0 into 0 becomes 0. Minus 0 into 3 becomes 0 here. So therefore this is equal to 0. Then A32. A32 here. 3 plus 2, 5. Odd number. Take care minus sign. Means this minus here. Deleting third row and the second column here. 1 into 0 becomes 0. Then 0 into 3 becomes 0 here. So therefore this is equal to 0. Then A33. A33 here plus sign. Deleting third row and third column here. 1 into 3 becomes 3. So right here 3. And 0 into 3 becomes 0 here. Hence this is equal to 3 here. So these are all the cofactors of corresponding elements here. Then you write the adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, it's a matrix here. Therefore write these three numbers here. Minus 3 plus 3 plus 9 in the first column here. Next 3 numbers in the second column. So 0, minus 1, minus 12. Then next 3 numbers in the third column here. So 0, 0 and plus 3. Plus 3. This is adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is a 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is a formula. Hence, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A value is a minus 3. So, right here minus of 3 into adjoint of the matrix here minus 3, 0 and 0. Then 3 minus 1 0. Then 9 minus 9 minus 9 minus 2 plus 3. So this is the answer here.